How is it?
Amazing. It tastes store-bought. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, and today I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, we are going to be making homemade mango ice cream. First thing that we have is our mangoes. We have evaporated milk, vanilla extract, but today we're not going to use it. First things first, we're going to add our mango into our blender. The next thing we're going to add is our evaporated milk. The next thing that we're going to be adding is sugar. We're going to be adding 3 spoons. 1, 2, and now we're going to blend. We're done blending, now we're going to pour it inside of the bowl. That. Now that we're done blending, it is time to whip it. Now that we're done whipping it, it's time to pour it inside of the bowl we're going to freeze it with. Now that we're done putting it inside of the bowl, we're going to freeze it for how long as you want until it's frozen like ice cream. So today probably 24 hours or 10 hours. Okay guys, so 24 hours later, our mango homemade ice cream is ready. We scooped it up into the pot, into the bowl, and this is it. Time for a taste test. Everyone, this is so amazing. You guys should definitely try it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see what we're missing on our videos. Bye bye.
How is it?
Amazing.